birthday, Beyonce. Beyonce. Happy birthday, Beyonce. Beyonce. Happy birthday, Beyonce. Uyabona mawala. Siyambona lo 40 uzama.
Oh, I was just not feeling okay for the longest time. I feel like yazi ngazuthi nje uyaqila nje ngathi awazi kwenzakalani, and I was very dehydrated. Hlalele endlini and not do anything. I couldn't even go to work. But ngamtshela uMthombeni because I was like, "Hey bo, mangifa lana oyothi bengazi ukuthi angikho right." So ngamsendela ithombe ngisesibhedlela nanani wathoka. Ngaphuma after that nga-recover ngibuyela emsebenzini yonke ifocus yami ngabe ngayithi emsebenzini. So I've been traveling, I've been working, trying to keep myself busy. It's been like months, but it feels like the way like I've been through so much like in a very short space of time.
Show, I think I didn't take it too well. I felt like the whole season Umthombeni was on my case. I went into depression. For over 2 weeks I wasn't eating at all. I had chest pains. I was not okay, and at some point I felt I'm going to die. I was depressed. I was in a very dark place. I almost didn't make it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Uma Khumalo. A happiest birthday to Uma Shovani. Uthobile Khumalo is turning 40 years today, and as Asho Oguti, 40 years looks good on her. Hey, congratulations, girl. You've achieved a lot and you've survived a lot. On the recent episode, Ebeidlala, Uthobile mentioned that she was depressed, angakhoni ukwenza lutho, ahleli endlini nje. She was drowning on her thoughts, and she ended up being admitted as esibhedlela. The way we got depressed ngakhona, everything that was happening kwamseleku made her to just give up everything, ahamba esibhedlela. And she told Umthombeni ukuthi she's not feeling well usesibhedlela because she might go esibhedlela angatsheli umuntu and then tomorrow ashone, God forbid. But then uyambona manje ukuthi sekahilile uright, and nambona uhappy girl. A happiest birthday to you, girl. Khule ungakhokhobi and stop stressing on things benefits. And that's our message as your fans. She recently maintained a position as CCO, if I'm not mistaken. Ngapha uyi-ambassador. Thobile usebenzile bafethu. Usebenzile. Congratulations and happy birthday, girl. Thank you guys for watching. What are your thoughts on this?